if you're like me and you like learning about stuff from watching videos, reading books, or listening in class, but you can't really retain it, maybe tomorrow after you wake up, you won't even remember what you learned from this video, or maybe even just later you will forget what you learned from this video. I will teach you something that differentiates self-taught geniuses. Oh, I'm not talking about myself. I just watch this or learn this from another video. It's the Feynman method. It's instead of fully understanding something before you teach it, like whenever you learn something, before you understood it completely, teach it already. Whenever Einstein, Newton, or whoever self-taught genius you know, before they completely understand the concept that they are learning, they will start talking about it. They will start integrating the concept in their vocabulary, because teaching forces you to remember stuff, to know the gaps where you don't actually, when you don't understand something about it, you'll actually understand it more when you teach it. So instead of understanding something completely first, teach it already. Whether you write it on a piece of paper and explain it like you're talking to a child, to a 5 years old, and just simplify it. Or do what I'm doing. I'm just teaching you what I learned recently. See, I'm already applying what I learned because I want to learn it. Record a video and teach it, or just talk about it, or maybe talk about it with your friends. Whenever you talk with someone, say something like, "Hey, I just learned about this stuff," and just talk about it. Whenever you just have a conversation with people, just mention it to integrate it into your vocabulary. So yeah, in summary, if you want to learn something and retain what you learned, teach it, talk about it, integrate it in your vocabulary, mention it often, and it will be just naturally be retained. So yeah, thank you for watching.